Nigeria cannot be great. A country where the primary mission of a politician is to make money and more of it. Where politicians loot public funds without fear of recriminations. Have you ever thought about where they started? Two young guys connive, kill, and dump the remains of a delivery man in a sockaway after placing order for 2 iPhones. Does that headline sound familiar? Here is a country where greed runs in the blood of the citizens. Don't be quick to declare yourself saint. When at parties, you are used to collecting souvenirs 3 times under the pretense of having non-existent neighbors beside you. When visiting an office, you cite free candies. Instead of picking a piece or 2, you fill your purse to the brim. After all, you care less about who else comes visiting same place after you. At the buffet party, we want a taste of everything in large portions. Our plates look scary even to us. We know fully well that we don't need so much, but the greed in us won't let us give any consideration to the next person. The fast food restaurants that prefer using rotten pepper and then sell the food at high prices. The building developer that uses low quality building materials in erecting the building that ends up killing innocent people. The house agent that heaps an unbelievable amount under the tag, agreement and commission. What about bus drivers and bike men that hike fares just because the bus stops seem crowded with commuters? An employee who takes lavish vacations at the expense of his employer by claiming that the vacations are business trips even when they really aren't. We all have something in common. Greed. If you have selfish, greedy, ignorant citizens, you are going to get selfish, greedy, ignorant leaders. Nigeria cannot be great until there is a total redirection of our mindset. Until then, Nigeria cannot be great.